is that whenever you receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a new contact should be created in Zoho CRM. So yes, this is possible, that too without any manual intervention using Pabbly Connect. So to do this, you have to open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And how you can open this? For that, you have to go towards the description box below. Over there, you're going to find the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month, and then come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. And if you are an existing user like me, directly open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn. So let's search for LinkedIn over here and select LinkedIn. For the event, we have to select lead notifications and click on this connect. So if you have already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. And once we click on this connect with LinkedIn, we have to enter our account credentials and click on this sign in to log in our LinkedIn. And yes, our account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the sponsored account, but it is saying no options found. So how we can get this? You have to click on this refresh fields and you're going to see now you can see the sponsored accounts. Now you have to select the sponsored account for which you want to create this automation and click on this save and send test request. And now it has turned into waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. And now we're going to see that I am running a draft campaign, like my campaign is not in live mode. But what I want is that whenever I receive a new lead, let's say someone sees my ad on their LinkedIn and they're interested and they click on this apply now and fill in this form. So I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically the lead details should be added in my Zoho CRM. So let's say I'm going to fill in this form over here. So as you can see, it is not asking me to fill in the first name, last name and company name because as I mentioned that my campaign is in draft mode. That's the reason that I can only fill in these two details. But if your campaign is in live mode, your leads are definitely going to get the option to fill in all these details. So now after entering the details which we have, I'm going to click on this button which says submit. And once we click on this submit, we have successfully submitted this lead form. We have filled in the email address and the phone number. The rest of the details were same. So with this, we have successfully completed the test submission, and now Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same test submission. We just have to wait for few seconds. And you're going to see that we have captured this response and you're going to see all the lead details are exactly the same. Now let's create a new contact in Zoho CRM using the same details. So I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Zoho CRM and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as create contact and click on this connect. So if you have already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking me for the domain. So to get this domain, you have to open your Zoho CRM account and over here in this URL, you're going to get this domain. So as you can see, my domain is zoho.in. So let's copy and paste it over here. So the domain will be after this CRM dot and before /CRM. Alright, so as you can see, this is my domain. Your domain can be anything from below. And after pasting this domain, you have to click on this button which says save. And once we click on this save, Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So let's give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly, no need to worry. Now we have to select the lead source over here. So I'm going to select the lead source as advertisement. Now one by one, I'm going to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that I've mapped all of these details and these two details were mandatory, which is last name and email. But I also had the first name and phone number, so I mapped that too. If you wish, you can definitely only map the required details, move on further and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho CRM. So let's open our Zoho CRM. You're going to see we only have 3 contacts, but now let's refresh it. And once we're going to refresh this, you're going to see that now the contacts will turn into 4. And you're going to see this is the name, this is the email, this is the phone number, and you're going to see all the details fields which we have added while creating this contact or while doing the test submission. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. And now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a new contact will be created in Zoho CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.